Hello, welcome to the class of Cybersecurity Foundation. Today we are going to discuss about cyber threats. So in this class we will learn about what is cyber threats, the source of these cyber threats, the type of cyber threats and the cyber security index level. So let's first start with the what is cyber threat. So threats is defined as a possibility. So the possibility of malicious attempt to damage or disrupt a computer network or system is known as cyber threat. So these malicious act that attempts to gain access to a computer network without authorization or permission from the owners. And the most common cyber threats are social engineering trojans, unpatched software, phishing, network worms, etc. So about these cyber threats we will discuss about in next class. So this is what a cyber threat is. Next we are going to discuss about the source of cyber threat. So from where these cyber threats are coming. So these cyber threats may come from other nation states or in other national governments, or from terrorist cyber attack that occurs on a banking system or a government security services. Next, hackers and industrial secret agent that spy over a network or a particular network. Business competitor, a business competitor can make the make or may be the source of cyber threats. Organization insider, the person who is inside the organization can also be a cause of a cyber threat. So these are the type of various source of cyber threats. Next, let's discuss about type of cyber threats. So threats can be classified according to multiple criteria. Here we are taking these three criteria to discuss about the type of cyber threats. First one is attacker resource. The resource of attacker that from where it's making this attack to, from a computer system or from a single computer or from a group of computers. Next is attacker's organization, that it have a big organization or a small group of people. Attacker funding, they have a funding or not. So on the basis of these criteria, threats are of three types. First one is unstructured threat, structured threat, and third one is highly structured threat. So let's discuss about this. First one is unstructured threats. So here we will discuss about the three criteria. First one is attacker resources. So here the individual or a small group can make this attack. And organization, attacker organization may be a little or there is no organization. And funding, there is a negligible funding. So these type of attack are easy to detect and that can be detected by using freely available cyber attack tools. And the exploitation or damage is caused that is based upon documented flaws. The flaws which are documented, that are scripted over a documents, can be a cause of the damage. So here the individual make this attack, that means these attacks cause less damage to the network. Next is structured threat. So here the attacker resource is well-trained individual or group, that is the hackers, and the attacker organization is a well-planned organization. They also have a funding with them. So these attacks are against particular individual, businesses or the organization. So here these people firstly gather the information and then they target the particular individual and organization to make the attack, to implement that attack. So this attack can make a great impact to an individual or a organization or a particular organization. Next is highly structured threats. So these threats are deadlier threats. They have an extensive organization, resources and planning over time. That means they are planning time to time to cause more damage to a organization or a individual. So these attacks are long-term attacks on particular machine or a data. And exploitation or damage can be caused by using multiple methods like technically, socially, or also taking the help from the insider. So these type of threats are planned regularly to make the attack deadlier and deadlier, and they are causing a great impact to the organization if successfully implemented to any network or organization. So next we will discuss about the cyber security index level. So these cyber threats are evaluated daily by the CTU, that is Counter Threat Unit, and updated the index level. So these are the four type of index level: guarded, elevated, high and critical. So guarded level 1 raises when there is a critical flaw discovered or any critical virus is detected, but there is no significant impact of this virus over the system. Then next one is elevated. So elevated level 2 raises when a significant risk due to increased hacking, virus or a malicious activity that compromises the system or diminishes the system, that make the working of a system failure into the system working. Next is high. High level 3. Level 3 index level 3 raises when a high risk of increased hacking, virus or other malicious cyber activities occurs that target or compromises core infrastructures, causing multiple services outages. So this causes a great impact to the system or the organization. Next one is the critical level 4. This arises when there is a high risk of increased hacking, viruses, or other malicious cyber activities, resulting in widespread outages and significantly destructive compromises to system with no known remedy. Means we have to find out a solution for that particular attack. We don't know any of the solution to that attack that is occurred in the organization or a system. So these are the four type of cyber security index level. So this is all about cyber threats. Thank you.